Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove and reinstall the arm pads on your Steelcase ThinkChair. So let's get started. All right, so let's get started. We're going to be replacing the arm pads on this version 2 ThinkChair with 4D adjustable arms with our aftermarket replacement arm pads. So as you can see, these are our new arm pads that we've tooled. They are replacement arm pads. They are not OEM arm pads, but we do have them tooled right here in the USA. They're made in the USA here. It's a pure poured polyurethane product. It's a very high quality, durable product that is the same material as the OEM original arm pads that are being made new by both Steelcase and Herman Miller. All the big manufacturers are using this process. So these are very good, high quality arm pads. This specific arm pad that we're using is the 4-screw variety that's going to work on the 4D arms. We have seen a few different models of arm pads through the years on the version 1 things especially that are not going to work. So if it's held on with 6 screws or it looks quite a bit different than this arm pad, please reach out to one of our, anybody on our team here so that we can verify whether or not our aftermarket replacement arm pads will work on your chair. But let's go ahead and get started on getting these arm pads off and these new ones replaced back. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is just set these the new replacement arm pads to the side for right now. Now you're going to take your drill, screwdriver, whatever you got, but you're going to need a T20 Torx bit to remove the 4 screws that are holding the arm pad in place. So we're going to remove the arm pads underneath the arm pad first. Okay, so I've got all 4 of these screws removed from the arm pad. Now we are going to want to make sure that we hold on to these screws. We do not send replacement screws with the replacement arm pads, so you're going to be reusing these same screws that you removed. With the 4 screws out though, the arm pad's just going to lift right off. So now we're going to set that aside and we're going to put the replacement arm pad. Now these are not, these are going to be ambidextrous, going back and forth. They're going to work on either the left or the right, so they're not specific to that side, and either side's going to be the front. So whatever you think is going to be looking better, you can kind of look at it and see. You're just going to set this on here. It should set right into place. And we're going to take our 4 screws and we're going to put them back into place underneath the arm pad. Now you do want to make sure not to over tighten these. They should just be snug. You're going into plastic, so you don't want to make sure that you don't break that. So just make sure that they're snugged up just a little bit, but don't overdo it. All right, all 4 screws are now replaced on this arm. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. Everything's working properly. This arm is replaced. We're going to repeat this process on the other side now. All right, so you can either then get rid of these arm pads, whatever you're gonna do. If they still got some life left in them, you wanna hold on to them, that's great. Otherwise, you can dispose of them. We do recommend recycling if at all possible. But as you can see, this was a quick and simple process to get the arm pads replaced on your Steelcase ThinkChair. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it helpful, please click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you've got any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to anybody on our team at our website, crandalloffice.com, our Facebook page, or anywhere else you can reach us. We're always here to help. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Oop, I hit the camera. Our aftermarket replacement arm pads. Hey, I caught them.
It was good.
I got frazzled. I wasn't sure where I was going to go with after. So 2 ThinkChair with 4D adjustable arms with our aftermarket replacement. Dang, this might take a minute. I had it on the first take. I can't F up though after I catch them.
No.
We're good? My mic's on?
Mic's on.
Okay.
Pretty good.
It actually kind of makes a neat noise. Yeah, cool. Steelcase ThinkChair. This is going to work for the